Welcome to Combat Cocktails, Mocktail edition.
Yeah.
I got Doug Peterson here, and you might have seen Doug once or twice or a million times on the show from like
it's not a million.
Season 2010 to 2014.
Hey, you know what? One that
Jolly Rancher vodka was fucked up. Go Google it. Jolly Rancher vodka. Combat Cocktails.
Jaeger Bomb has like a lot of views. No, I remember.
Yeah, but Jolly Rancher vodka was only, you don't know you're there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You haven't watched
that's
it?
Great. No,
people are like, what's wrong with that guy? He's spaced out. Like, where is he? I'm like, I don't know where.
Oh, it's probably extremely drunk.
Yeah.
So that's how I've been a lot.
Right. Lesson learned. Doug doesn't drink anymore.
Well, not extremely drunk. Right. Just like a.
No, you were. I think
steady drunk.
Personally,
steady.
The way you were like portraying yourself felt like you were like high.
Oh,
or something.
I've been that too,
but
and drunk.
You had slept,
That's a good combo.
And then you woke up, and I was like, "We need to finish the episode."
Oh, really?
Yeah, and you got up. So there's like that. Like when you get up, you're kind of a space gaze.
I know.
For like an hour.
I know.
And I sat you down on camera, and I was like, "Let's go," and you're like, "Okay." And then like shut the fucking nonsense flying out of your mouth all the time. It's pretty funny. So people
is that why that has so many views?
No.
Okay, I thought it was because of like the product.
Probably.
Yeah, it was the people don't look at it and go, "This has got to be the one with Doug's drunk." No, they're looking for Jolly Rancher vodka, and that's how they got there.
That's great.
So this is going to be a complete off the rails. I don't really care because this is not going to be any fucking pre-roll. Nobody's going to make. I'm not making any money. Nobody's making money. So who cares? So here's what we're going to do. I pulled up. So in Jeff Beachbum Berry's remix book, he has a couple mocktails.
Okay, great.
This is one of those. It's called the, and I only picked it because I like the name. It's Designated Diver. So the Designated Diver. Okay. So there's a Pearl Diver, which is the main drink.
I get it.
So the Designated Diver.
I get it.
Because you can drink.
Yeah.
And you can drive for everybody.
Yeah, right? you can dive.
Oh, I thought that was the Designated Survivor.
Okay. You've been
okay.
What was that?
No,
you just stumbled words out. Designated Survivor. No, not even close. This is older than that.
The show we were watching, and you're accusing me of drinking.
Is
this like live gaslighting? No, it's recorded. Oh, that's great. You can go back.
See?
So
you can find out.
I'm gonna
There is a show called Designated Survivor.
Okay,
right.
I believe you.
That's not the show.
I believe you.
So I'm gonna take the shaker and we're gonna put an ounce of fresh lemon juice in it. So you're getting that. Right.
Great.
This is a bomb ass tiki drink I've never had before.
Yeah, me either. You know how this is why I'm really excited is because you came up. You're like, hey, can I make you a mocktail?
A mocktail.
You make me
a virgin cocktail. A virgin cocktail.
This is going to be my
had
first
sex
one.
Before.
I have proof that it happened at least once.
And she's 8 years old.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is you had sex 8 years ago.
Yeah, I recall it.
You remember that one incident?
Yeah. I was like, what's happening here?
Like, my penis is really heavy.
That's what's happened. I didn't even know to call it that.
Yeah, sure. You wouldn't even know. So this is where shit gets real. Okay. Look, I have this camera here, and I'm not even fucking using it. I yell at Ian for it. So I'm gonna do.
See, he's not using his camera.
That's harsh.
Because I was like reminiscing, and
he trained you, and then he's not even trained.
Right. So here's what I'm gonna do. This calls for vanilla simple syrup. Yeah, vanilla simple syrup.
Okay.
Right? Fuck that. You're getting a big dose of like 3 dashes of pure vanilla extract and 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Okay. So it's gonna be like a vanilla bomb. Okay. Which is what I I want some of that. And then we're gonna add some. Oh, do you have that club soda thing you did?
Yeah, it's right over here.
You want to grab that?
Yeah.
And I'll wash my hands off a little bit. Yeah. Because what we're basically gonna do is we're gonna make this.
You're gonna stick your hand in it.
I'm gonna stick my hand all up in that shit.
Oh, it's for the ice handling.
Yeah.
Look at you. Serve safe.
Well, it has nothing to do with that. My hands are just sticky from the syrup.
Oh,
so I'm going to shake this, and then it doesn't say to shake. Hopefully, pour and strain into a tall glass or tiki mug picture, garnish with orange and lemon wheel. See, but he never says. Oh, it says stirring soda. So he didn't put it in the shaker. Don't put it in the shaker. Okay. Because if you do that,
what do you do?
You only do it once. Because it just fucking blows up in your face.
Oh, I see. I got that.
Because all this aggression, you're like,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nobody's like that. You're like that. Everybody else
happens
is like
when you're
that.
not up there.
No, I don't like to see that shit at all.
We're gonna take a
That was
tall
the
glass.
best part. It's like you get an impression of what was happening.
Right.
You didn't get the whole thing.
We're gonna add an ounce of club soda to the top of this.
Okay. Oh, this looks nice.
Wow.
See, the drink that you made for me. It was it did go everywhere. Some friendly fire.
What happens?
Yeah, sometimes that's called the.
You know, it's nice. Like the first drink that looks good tonight is this one.
Let's see. Does that fit on the camera? Look at that. That is a beautiful. It looks
is.
like a banana daiquiri.
Yeah, let me know when I can.
You can
touch
drink
it.
it.
Looks like
Okay.
pineapple juice.
Yeah,
Looks like
No,
pineapple
it does.
juice.
It does. That's a
Were
good
you not
question.
here?
I'm
No,
behind the light. I can't see the damn thing.
it's not. Okay,
It's an
I was
ounce
gonna
of
say, it's not
lemon
bad.
juice, orange juice, passion fruit syrup. They said puree. Fuck them. A little vanilla syrup, a quarter ounce, 3/4 ounce of vanilla simple syrup, and an ounce of club soda.
How is it done?
It's
No.
tangy.
Dang.
It'll jump. It'll make.
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
It'll woo.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is.
That's
this shit.
That is. Yes, that is.
That. So passion
There's
fruit
definitely
syrup
some of that.
gets you right here.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, it gets you right over
Okay.
here.
Passion fruit is awesome.
That
Yeah.
is
I wish I
classic
could
tea.
get
Somewhere,
passion
yes.
fruit.
So
Yeah, like-
would be good in that, like a Zardo cherry.
You're trying to make me do more work, aren't you?
It's
Well,
good in
would
everything,
it
come
cut the tart a little bit?
A Luxardo cherry won't
Yeah.
cut the tart unless you add some cherry juice to it. Where's my cherries?
I don't know.
Oh, fuck.
I haven't
Hey,
been
I
here in
don't
years.
know.
Yeah.
Like, I've never been here.
I don't know.
Oh, well, listen.
I can look around.
It's
You want me to rummage?
Well, I go rummage around for a little bit.
Nope, not over here.
No, I don't know where it is.
This is, thank you.
It's
I appreciate the thought.
that is
It would be great with the cherries, but we don't know where they are.
so
It is. It's tart.
right because it's tiki and tiki is supposed to be tart.
There you go.
It's got the
Then
passion
it is,
fruit
it
in it.
is what it
It's
is.
got the acidity to it.
Yep.
It's got like the bounce,
Yeah.
like it hits you with the lemon.
Mhm.
So what you're saying is like you like your bitter water better?
I mean, I know what I would order and it would be consistent.
Fair enough. If you order water, this could be consistent if you have a master crafter like me.
See, I don't know if I need somebody to make this ever for me again consistently.
But I don't. But like, why not? It's got. You don't like passion fruit?
You know what it is?
No.
I'm going to finish it
Uh-huh.
and I'm going to keep, crapping on it. Then I'm going to be like, oh, this is, this is awful.
So what's
what it
happening
is?
is the lemon. It makes you want to keep
I
going
think-
back for more.
I
sips.
think that if it was a little bit sweeter, I would like it a little bit more.
You don't get enough vanilla in there. You getting the vanilla?
I don't know how to say what I just said again.
Okay, hold on. So the problem is you've been. The problem is you've been drinking Moxie with 150
I
grams
know,
of
listen.
fucking sugar.
I know I'm at fault here. I know I'm the one with the fucked up taste buds that needs a lot of sugar to make it through my coffee. I get it. I know that it's me.
Okay, let's unpack that for a second.
Which part?
The coffee and your sugar. Let me explain something for you. If you guys haven't been
That's
watching
better.
the show for 18 years, 15 years, whatever it is, when
It's
Doug,
good.
yeah, I know. Well, it was better before, but now
no,
it's
not
sugary.
really.
I added an extra 3/4, so now you're up to about 1.5 ounces of sugar.
Yes.
Well,
And-
think about how much was out of it before you added the sugar. So it's more
Oh,
sugar
yeah.
relative because
This has also got sugar in it.
but this goes to 11. That's what I heard. From you.
No,
This is coffee with 10 and 10.
Yes. So if you're from New England and you get the Dunks, right? So if you're like, I need to go to the Dunks, he goes to the Dunks. He gets what size? Medium.
That's a large, I think.
He gets a large Dunks,
large.
10 and 10. So what that means for everybody else is he fucking puts vanilla ice cream on top, and
He has a little bit of coffee flavor to his cream and sugar.
Listen,
this is a hot coffee, right?
I am the right.
Right, so that's weird. Like when
it's not hot for very
iced
long.
coffee, it's really big. Yes, because
it had been hot.
You've literally so a pump. I don't know what a pump is in ounces, but I'm gonna guess that like 2 pumps is probably an ounce.
Sure.
So you're at 5 ounces of cream.
That's a lot of cream. It might be.
It's fucking white.
Listen,
It's white. Your coffee drinking is white. Coffee ice cream is less white than this shit.
I appreciate how passionate you are about how I take my coffee. I do. But I do. I take my coffee like I take ice cream.
You can't take ice cream like that because ice cream always comes in ice cream shape.
I'm not going to apologize for it because at the end of the day, I like it.
He likes his coffee, like he likes his ice cream, and that's it. That's what he likes.
Yeah.
I don't know how you get any caffeine from that. It's all pushed out.
Yeah.
But like,
no, not really. It's still in there.
Look, if I get now, this is all theory. I don't know this because I've never worked at
Wait
Dunkin'.
a second. Did you just think
I can call it
that
my
caffeine
son now.
escapes coffee if you add cream and sugar?
I do because
Okay.
Here's where I'm going with this.
This is good.
You're gonna follow my line of reasoning. It might be. This is what I'm saying. It might be entirely.
I love
wrong.
it.
So
you might be.
If somebody says to me, if I'm at and Liam has worked at Dunks, but I don't know this. I've never worked there. But if somebody got on the little horn and was like, I want a large hot coffee, 10 and 10.
Yeah.
I would immediately go, well, fuck, that's not going to work.
Okay.
Because of volume.
Okay.
Right. So if I fill up a medium coffee and then I add the other stuff, I can't fit 10 and 10 of those things because the volume is
secret.
So they got to push it down by adding less coffee.
They do the 10 and 10 first.
I've watched them. They do the pump and the sugar first.
Fine, but that does not change anything because when you fill it with coffee, the coffee stops at the top, right at the burn line. That's where you like burn your crotch because it's Dunkin', right?
Right.
So they stop it at the. I didn't add any of that shit, so I only have like a little bit of the bottle like that.
Yeah.
So when they fill it up to a large, I'm getting more coffee because there's more volume that can be fit into the coffee.
Yes.
And therefore, I have more caffeine. Your caffeine didn't escape through some weird chemical bond.
Yes.
It escaped because of volumetric math. Like you just...
I see. See, I think here's what you're conflating. You're conflating.
Or maybe a small.
So you have to get a large so you get a medium amount of potency.
The amount of caffeine and the volume of coffee does not change. I have less volume of coffee, thus I have less caffeine due to volume.
Right.
The caffeine is still there.
Right. I didn't say you have a decaf coffee.
Two of them, he's caught up.
And he's also got diabetes and herpes. From all
How
that
the fuck did I get herpes?
Because after that much cream, you're gonna need to sell your soul.
You heard it here, folks. Have too much cream in your coffee, you're gonna get herpes. Hey man, really?
All I'm saying is it's not the specific caffeine itself. It's the volume of coffee that's missing from your drink. Therefore, you're large and my large. I get more coffee than you do. And therefore, I get more caffeine. And that is why I'm so fucking crazy and wiry. And you just sit there like that.
I don't think it's just the caffeine. I think there's some genetic capability.
I think you might be predispositioned to be like this. Some would say born that way. That's good. No,
you know what though? There's one thing.
This was really good.
You know
Thank
what? You know what the thing I miss most
I love
about
you, bud.
You know what I miss most about you?
you.
That comment that was just left by Peggy Perry.
What did Peggy say?
You know how many people spell your name Doe? It's fucking hilarious. I love it. I like that people don't know how Doug is spelled, and they spell it like if you're made out of fucking Play-Doh.
That's what happens with spell check.
Really?
Yeah. Have you ever spelled Doug before? I have. It's my name. It happens all the time.
It doesn't know.
Yeah. It's like
Apple's fucking stupid then.
Yeah.
It's like, did you mean Doe? Like, no, I meant my fucking name. I type it every day.
Yeah.
It's in my contacts.
I know. I know. You know, the good thing is, honestly, I don't have to type my name very often. I don't, refer to myself in third person. Doug. Doug's.
Doug says.
Yeah.
You never call your own phone number, right?
Right.
You know, but I text myself and I come up as Douglas R. Peterson. I'm like, I know that guy. And then I get the text twice from where I sent it and then when I got it. Anyway, we have a good thing going. We keep sharing the same shit.
That's pretty badass.
We're more dialed into somebody.
I got more. I bet you I can find some more mocktails. So we'll do no more.
Okay.
Sidebar. I don't know what I'm gonna put there. Probably tiki cocktails for those that I don't know, like drink alcohol. But everybody else is bartenders already get below because you know what you need to make mocktails. You still need all the same shit.
Okay, I
Yeah.
believe you.
Yeah. So I sell it to the masses. That's it. I'm teaching you how to drink mocktails.
Yay.
Oh, it's
thanks,
gone.
Mark.
It's gone.
I know. I kept drinking it. I told you during the thing I was going to keep drinking it.
Look,
Like, this sucks.
it's
but I'm
because
gonna
of the
drink it.
lemon. It's because of the lemon.